Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the screenshot on your Asus Chromebook Flip C214. And to do this you will need to press the combination of 3 keys on your tablet or a laptop, and right here click Control, hold the Shift and press the window show up right here. So if you press all of these buttons at the same time, you should be able to capture the screenshot. As you can see, now you can either make the partial screenshot, so crop where you want to take the screenshot for, and click capture. It should be sent to the gallery. Now also, if you open the screenshot again, you can change in this window to take the screenshot of your full screen and to capture a specific opened application. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.